Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what's coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Of course, another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aquarius. What's the energy in the next 2 weeks? Aquarius. Next 2 weeks. Safe home. Oh, maaring may focus, no, sa bahay ninyo or a place that you call home. Kasi pwedeng yung trabaho nyo, doon na kayo nakatira, di ba? This is about being safe, being protected. Sa maaring iba, literal, magpapalagay kayo ng CCTV or magpapalagay kayo ng bakod. Ayusin nyo ang security sa perimeter ninyo. Or this can also mean na you feel safe, you feel nourished, nurtured sa home life, family life ninyo. And then also passion. Some of you, this is about a passionate relationship. So pwedeng some of you will enter a relationship wherein merong merong love na talagang parang bago pa to, no? Bagong relationship na search. Di ba kapag mga bagong relationship, ayan yung excited pa kayo sa isa't isa, ganyan. You also have harvest, o meron kang iha-harvest. Harvest season para sa mga Aquarius. Ito yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan nyo, mga trinabaho nyo. You are finally enjoying the fruits of your labor. Let's see, what is the overall energy for Aquarius? The Strength card. Ito yung pagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob, confidence, tiwala sa iyong sarili. Some of you, pwedeng may betrayal, okay? From someone na akala mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo siya. But I think you will choose to stay strong sa relationship na yan. You will be the bigger person doon sa relationship, sa connection na yan. I also see na pwedeng merong like transformation, change in the next 2 weeks that will require you strength, like lakas ng loob na harapin yung transformation na yan sa buhay mo. Your challenge is the Three of Cups. Okay, some of you, this can be a challenging situation with your peers. Mga katrabaho, kaibigan, mga nakakasalamuha mo. Be careful ha, kasi maaring merong mga taong nagsiselebrate with you but actually they have a different agenda, no? Yung tipong hindi naman talaga sila happy for you at all. So you have to be careful. Also, pwedeng meron kang makalimutan na event in the next 2 weeks. Kaya you have to ayusin mo yung calendar mo. Pwedeng may importanteng event or may pupuntahan ka, makalimutan mo. So, at least you have to be ready. Now, your opportunity is the Queen of Pentacles. So, as an opportunity, this is about having stability in your finances, in your money, in your career. Parang rin to merong leadership role. Some of you, pwedeng may leadership role sa trabaho, sa business, sa career ninyo, na kumbaga nakikita nyo yung resulta, no? Kaya may harvest dito. And also, mas magpo-focus ka sa pag-iipon. Like, being frugal. I think Not because, like, pag frugal ka, sasabihin, ay, nakuripot ka. It's not like that. Ibig sabihin nito, mas may halaga na sa'yo ang pera. Mas pinapahalagahan mo ang resources mo. Money is energy. Okay? So, for you, gusto mo na mas makapag-save ng pera kaysa gumastos. Now, your blessing is, Nine of Cups. This is accomplishing yung mga goals mo. In the next 2 weeks, kung magpo-focus ka sa commitment mo sa mga goals na sinet mo, you will be able to achieve all of them. Okay? Now, the Nine of Cups is also about celebration. Pwedeng meron kang isa-celebrate na certain achievement. Can be part ng career mo yan or yung project mo. And I also see na may mga parties. May mga parties kang pupuntahan. Meron ding wish fulfillment. Alam mo, kahit anong wish yan. Maaaring iba sa inyo makakapagpaayos kayo ng bahay, makakabili kayo ng bahay. Sa inyo namang career, you have the Six of Pentacles. This is balance in your finances. This is giving and taking. I also see na mas makakapag-share ka rin ng blessings mo sa ibang tao. Pwedeng, it's either merong tutulong sa'yo o ikaw ay tutulong sa iba. So, mas manage mo na yung kaperahan mo ngayon because the money is flowing in your life. No? Okay, now your love life. Let's see the love life for Aquarius. Nine of Pentacles. Love life is about stability. So, maaring kung kayo in a relationship ngayon, mas nagpo-focus kayo sa future ninyo. Like, ano yung plano nyo for the future? Ano yung gusto nyo ma-achieve? Ano yung mga gusto nyong mangyari 3 years from now? So, you are planning, no? If you are single, I also see you focusing more on your abilities. Yung iyong mga nasimulan, kung paano mo pa to mas mapapaunlad. Oo, kasi kung single ka, maaring hindi pa yan priority para sa'yo ang pagpasok sa relasyon. I think you will focus more on what you are passionate about in your career and yung mga goals mo sa buhay, yung mga goals mo sa trabaho mo, career mo. Embrace uncertainty. Ayan, ito yung pagiging kampante na everything will work out for you. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi ang nangyayari sa atin, nag-overthink tayo, hindi pa problema, pinoproblema na natin. So, for you, Aquarius, you are open to the idea na minsan hindi natin kontrolado ang isang bagay. And that's okay. Ibig sabihin, we know how to surrender. And also, we know how to take accountability. And kung ano yung kaya natin kontrolin, then we can do it. Pero kung hindi natin kontrolado, we surrender. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.